Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Verlinda from Make Money Online. Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, please click subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the video updates. Kung meron pa kayong time, kindly watch my video below on how to making money online, product promotion, at iba pa guys. So, kung meron pa kayong time ulit, paki-watch na lang po yung social media above my videos like Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, my website, and Instagram. Okay guys, we are talking about on how to earn extra cash only. So, this is a really simple system. I read this one and follow to me. So, really simple system how to earn extra cash online. So, their online maker seeker wanna know a secret to make extra cash online from a free to join program. Then read on. So I read this one. Kindly listen to me, guys, on how to earn extra cash online. So I continue to reading this text. I recently discovered an extremely simple way to make money online with absolutely no investment at all, except the very small one-time fee you have to pay to get instant access to the members area and the easy way to follow instruction inside. So, all you need to do is to join a free program and recruit some people to join under you, and don't worry, I will tell you exactly how and where to advertise to get referrals under you. So guys, to earn $25 on all referrals. So, yes, you read that right. So, I read this one. So, I already read this text and follow the instruction only on how to earn extra cash online. So, yes, you read that right. From this free to join program, you can earn $25 per referral who signed up from your link, and you will get special tools to use to get referrals. In fact, you can use this code to get referrals or make sales sign-ups with any online business you are involved with. So guys, this one, how to earn money online. This is a very easy and surefire way to earn little extra money online, and it's so easy to do, and it works. So trust me on this. I have tested it myself and got paid too, and don't worry, you will get paid as well. So get instant access to the system and the secret recording tools today for only $5 one time. So this works. So guys, this works. Would you be willing to invest $5 only in order to get access to a blueprint on how to earn $25 from a single referral signing up under you, and be able to do that over and over again? So remember guys, you will also get the special tool to get all the referrals you will ever need any program you promote online. I use it to get a lot of daily visitors to my website, and these visitors are targeted. So guys, if you are willing to earn of kind, kindly look at my description. Inside of my description, read of that one, and I will be putting of that affiliate link. Kindly click of that affiliate link, and you will get access on how to earn extra cash online. So guys, try to it, because as from now we need to having an extra income even if we are working right now, but we need to extra income for some income for our family, to our family, to to help for the expenses for our family. So guys, try it now. Okay guys, that is all about of my video on how to earn extra cash online. If you are interested to earn of this, kindly, as what I said, kindly read my description below and click of that affiliate link and you will be access of that site of how to earn extra cash online. So guys, if you are access already or if you are a member already here, you can advertise a Yahoo, MSN, Clickbank, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and etc. or any other social media that you will be sharing your affiliate link to others and you will earn and you can earn extra cash online on this site. So kindly guys try to it on how to earn extra online. So by the way guys, if you are a new here on my video or YouTube channel, kindly don't forget to click subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the video updates. So guys, thank you for your watching. Bye for now.